Welcome in this quick and easy tutorial. I'll be showing you how to enable VPN in Opera GX. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first off, go ahead and open up the browser. And then once you're in here, you can just go ahead and click on the gear icon right here at the bottom left. Or at the top right, click on the three horizontal lines or settings icon. And then click on the gear icons once more. Okay? And then in the left panel, we are going to find VPN right here. So just click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, you can now go ahead and toggle the VPN right here. We're just clicking on this slider. Okay, so it says here, browse with VPN to prevent third parties from tracking you. So just enable it. Now you can go ahead and make this one automatic. It says here you can connect to VPN when starting browser. If you want to, you can go ahead and enable it and enable additional settings for your VPN right here. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and unlock VPN Pro to keep your device safe and secure. Just go ahead and click on sign in right here. If you're not signed up for VPN Pro, you will see a sign up page as well. That's basically it. That's how you enable VPN in Opera GX. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.